unboxing of the unveiling of an opening of the birth. Yes, I said birth of the baby lock. Yes, the baby lock. The brilliant baby lock model BL220B. That's Bravo Lima 220 Bravo. You know what it means. Brilliant. And the beautiful Miss Tequila B from TruLuv Designz is about to be the unboxing of this beautiful specimen. Take it away.
Hi guys, glad you decided to join me today. Today I will be unboxing my Baby Lock Brilliant. Now I've had this since February. My husband bought this for me as a gift. I've been asking for it for maybe about 6 months or so, and he finally bought it for me. So I haven't used it yet. It's going on June, and this will be my first time taking it out of the box and using it. So we're going to get right into it, open it up, and see what's inside. All right, so we have, looks like, oh, this is nice. This one comes with a walking foot, which I do already have one of these that I use on the brother that I have now. Good to have an extra one. And then we have a bag of additional presser feet, needles, and tools and things, brush, mostly the basic things that you get with most sewing machines, with a little extra added. You have your power cord. This is your spool holder, so I guess I'll have to put this on the machine. Let's see what else is in here. Our manual, and looks like some sewing brochures. Let's see. It is amazing. I have not opened this yet. I usually do a video of how I unbox my sewing machines anyway, just in case I have to send them back for any reason. I can put everything back in the box the way it came out. Oh. This is the knee lift piece that goes on the machine. I'm kind of excited to use that. I'll tell you a little bit about the place that I bought it from. It's called Mr. Sewing Machine, and it's located in Dallas, Texas. I really love that store because they sell all baby lock machines, embroidery machines, sergers, and the employees there are very helpful, very helpful. You can even practice on the machines before you purchase one, see how you like them. They give you scraps to practice on and show you about the features of the machine. I did get a chance to practice on this one, as well as I believe the machine right below it. I can't remember exactly what it is. It's also a Brilliant, but it didn't come with the knee lift. It didn't come with as many accessories either, which I will get to. But I enjoyed the experience, and it was really helpful. Yes, I was very appreciative that my husband purchased this one for me. So I'm going to move this box to the floor so I can get to. And here's a machine cover, baby lock. Let's see. All right. I didn't realize it was so heavy. More packaging. Foot pedal. Now we get to take it all the way out of the plastic. This is the Baby Lock Brilliant from the Genuine collection. And it's just so pretty, so white, so smooth, so lovely, so sleek. Really excited. And pull out these blue tabs off and take this styrofoam off. This is the knee lift, and this just slides into the machine. These little notches here match with the grooves in the bottom of the machine, like that. And the way it works, if I push my knee to the right, it lifts up the presser foot, and when I let it go, it puts it back down. So that should be pretty convenient. Now we're going to thread the machine. I did switch to a pink thread because I'm about to work on a project and it calls for pink thread. Before you begin threading your machine, make sure your presser foot is up. Now your thread goes on the spool pin with the thread coming from underneath the spool towards you. I'm going to go through here for 1, down underneath this silver guide, around for 2, down and around for 3, up and around for 4, down 5, through this guide here for 6, okay, and make sure you bring your thread through this silver hook here across number 7. Bring your thread to the thread cutter and cut it. Now 8, you're going to press down this lever until it snaps and your needle is threaded and it's ready to sew. You really don't have to bring it through the presser foot or anything. You can leave it like that and you're ready to go. So now you can let your presser foot down. And now I'll show you a stitch. Just going to use this scrap here. Put my needle down. I'm going to sew. Going to back stitch. Continue sewing. And it's very smooth and a lot quieter than my other machines. I'm going to stop, back stitch, cut my thread, and you have a nice stitch on top and on the back. So that's it for the unboxing of my baby lock. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until then, I'll see you next time.